ay nagiging customer ng Silver Star at Golden Stars. Naway pagpalain pa kayo ng Diyos habang buhay at malusog ang pangatawan. Happy birthday and happy retirement!
We have many more birthdays to come and happy retirement. Thank you for being with the Opus for Christ. We may not have gold, frankincense, and myrrh, but we have with you our own prayers.
In behalf of Kuya Billy and Ate Violi and the whole family of Tugano, happy retirement day.
Yay!
Hi, Ninang! Hi, Lola! Happy retirement! Thank you po sa pagiging mabait na boss and sa guidance. Enjoy po your well-deserved retirement. See you soon! Traveling the world. See you soon! Bye!
Hi, Sir Anton. Congratulations on your retirement. Your guidance, incredible support, and your leadership has shaped our team in so many positive ways. Your impact will always be felt. You have led us with grace, wisdom, and compassion. Now, it's time to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations, and may God bless you and your family always.
Hello, Sir Anton. Enjoy the next chapter of your life. Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement.
Na 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 na. Thank you for the love.
Hi, Sir Anton. You'll always be a valued part of Met's family.
Hi, Sir Anton. Thank you for the memories and inspiration.
Best of luck for the future, Sir Anton. Happy
retirement!
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you.
Enjoy your retirement, Sir Anton, from your RTE family. Hey!
Hi Anton! Congratulations on your retirement. We wish to thank you for your valuable contributions to Magnolia for more than 30 years. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, diba, you are a cut above the rest. So, parang wala na yata kaming Anton na makikita pa na kagaya mo. So, really from the bottom of our heart, thank you, and we're going to miss you, yung mga wisdom mo, yung everything, your leadership. Salamat, maraming salamat. Enjoy your retirement, good luck, and God bless you.
Thank you, Sir Anton.
Enjoy your retirement! Thank you!
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Anton. Mamiss kita. Enjoy your well-deserved retirement. See you around.
3, 2, 1.
Congratulations on your retirement, Sir Anton. We will miss you. Enjoy life to the fullest.
Hello, friend Anton. I would like to congratulate you on your well-deserved retirement. Pang-ilan mo na nga to? Anyway, you are now going to transition into a more relaxing phase of life. Yun. So, enjoy mo lang every minute of it. Though we seldom see each other na since I left Magnolia, yung friendship na meron tayo, hindi yun nawala and hindi yun mawawala. And I will always hold on to the memories of working with you. Ayan, so siguro with your retirement, we can already set a meet up soon. So magkakaroon ka na ng time sa amin ni Sister Sonia. And also with your retirement, you can bond with your family and friends, but don't forget yung mga friends mo na naging family naman. Again, congratulations, and I'm wishing you a fantastic retirement life. See you soon!
family, congratulations and happy retirement!
Sir Anton, our video greetings is far from perfect, same as our team, but our respect and admiration towards you is close to perfection. Thank you for all your help, guidance, and of course your generosity. We will surely miss you. Happy retirement!
Hi, Sir Anton! Happy retirement! Firstly, I would like to say thank you for the wisdom that you have imparted to us, no? Most especially when it comes to tolling operations. Thank you also for the good vibes, no, over the course of our working relationship. So on this new chapter of yours, I wish you peace and productivity, and may also continue to pursue your passions. Happy retirement!
Hi, Anton. Can't believe you're 60 already and retiring. Honestly, I was so surprised nung narinig ko na you were going to retire this year. Feeling ko kasi ang daming pang energy. Definitely, I will miss your guidance sa ating tolling operations and sa tagal na natin magkatrabaho. I really appreciate all the tips and inputs and guidance and advice that you've given to me through the years. Sa Jelly A, sa oil, wala na sila ngayon, pero dito pa rin tayo. But kidding aside, we're able to maintain naman yung sa milk, yung sa cream category. So I think it's really helpful that you're there, and it's hard to imagine na, wala na si Anton for our tolling. So let's see what will happen next. But I just want to wish you, a happy retirement. I'm sure you'll find lots of ways to use your time, basically to use your free time as you move on to your next chapter in life. So I really wish you the best. And, this is not goodbye. Please do keep in touch. And, I really look forward to the things that you will do after this. So good luck and see you around.
Hi! Sir Anton!
Happy birthday!
Birthday ba? Oh no!
Happy
Retirement!
Good luck!
Congratulations! We will miss you!
Hi, Sir Anton. Good luck on your new journey. You have now more time on your church activities. We will miss you. Keep in touch.
Happy retirement, Sir Anton! Enjoy life! We will miss you from your Magnolia Ice Cream family!
Hi, Sir Anton. Masaya kami para sa panibagong kabanata ng iyong buhay. It's time for rewarding yourself a relaxing life. Nagpapasalamat ako na ikaw ang una kong nakilala dito sa Magnolia during the turnover of ice cream plant kasi maganda ang vibes mo. Marami ako natutunan sa iyo kung paano magdala ng trabaho at marami din naman nalaman sa mga sharing at chismis mo. Higit sa lahat yung mga sharing ng happy moments. Ngayon ko napagtanto na paborito mo ako kasi noong una, ice cream plant lang. Ngayon may dagdag pang tolling. Hehehe, joke lang. Kaya tanggap naman natin ang hamon na yan at ikaw ang inspirasyon ko dahil nagawa mo na yan before ako dumating. Very challenging lang ang pagdating sa tolling kasi mahirap tapatan ng isang Anton Padua in terms of dealing with people, both third party and internal. Sobrang at ease na sila sa iyo na kung sila tatanungin, they wanted you to stay pa.
turn over mo na rin ang virtud mo para the good relationship will stay. But I will do my best para ma-maintain kung ano man ang naiwan mo or make it better para hindi masayang ang mga pinaghirapan mo ng maraming taon. Ang iyong mga kontribusyon na nakatulong para lumugo ang negosyo ng tolling ay labis naming pinasasalamatan. We will miss you and enjoy life to the fullest.
Hi Anton, good luck sa iyong second, third, and time na retirement. Alam naman natin na during your time here, aside siyempre sa good days, marami kang stress na dinaanan sa San Miguel. And alam din naman natin, marami kang dinaanan mga boss. And your favorite boss is the first letter in the alphabet, siyempre. Good luck. Enjoy your stress-free days. And see you. Thanks.
Hi, Sir Anton. Balita ako, paalis ka na daw. Sumunod ka rin pala sa akin. Anyway, ano ba? Ano ka na naman? Hihiga ka na naman sa pera. Grabe, pangalawang beses mo na yan. Don Anton Padua ka talaga. Anyway, masasabi ko lang sa pag-stay mo sa Magnolia, especially sa tolling group, it was very nice experience na makasama ka. Ang gaan-gaan ng buhay kahit nahirapan tayo, makikipag-usap sa tollman, pero at the end of the day, ang saya-saya pa rin ng group natin. Dinatawanan natin yung mga problems na nakipaglaban tayo ng husto sa tollman. Tapos ang dulo pala, tayo rin pala ang may kasalanan. Nakakagulat lang. Tapos hindi natin iniisip yun na mahirap, pero ang saya pa rin ang group natin. So, nakukuha mong mapatawa kami kahit hirap na kami. Kaya parang nung nasa tolling ako, ang saya-saya natin. Ang saya, especially ako, napagaan mo yung buhay ko as QA kasi landon yung support. Naramdaman ko yung support mo. At saka, syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung walang kamatayang Mango Bravo. Lagi mong naiisip yon na pupunta tayo sa Nuvali para kumain ng Mango Bravo. Kansaya lang kasi alam naman natin demanding yung tolling, pero parang feeling ko lagi lang akong nasa pasyalan kasi parang pinapagaan mo yung hirap na alam mo naman natin na nung time na yun yung APC talagang pamatay kung ano-anong problema pumapasok. Halos ano yun laging may problem talaga tayo, pero nagawa natin yun, kinaya natin because yung leadership mo kakaiba at saka natutuwa ako sa tulong na ginagawa mo sa amin, especially sa mga tollers. Kasi napaka-friendly mo So, yung mga tollers, nahihiyang tanggihan ka. Kasi napakadali mong makipag-adjust sa kanila, makipag-negotiate. Kaya nakakatuwa lang kasi alam namin na lagi may nakasupport sa amin. So, namimiss ko talaga yung tolling group. The best na napuntahan ko. Huwag sa pero ang ganda ng napuntahan ko sa tolling group, lalo na nung dumating ka. Alam yan nila Now, nila Amik, ang saya natin parati noon. Sana sa susunod na mga magkita pa rin tayo, pero wag naman sana nakasakay ka sa iyong karwahe. Kasama mo yung mga sino ba yung mga driver mo? May driver ka pang nakasakay sa kabayo? Tama ba? So, huwag naman sana ganun. Baka magkita tayo sa EDSA, nakakarwahe ka na. Kasi sobrang yaman mo. Ibigay mo naman sa iba yung kayamanan mo. Anyway, happy retirement, Sir Anton. Happy retirement, Don Anton. Hindi na pala kita tatawaging Sir Anton. Don Anton na. Sige, bye!
Hi, Anton. Congratulations on your second retirement. Meron ka ng panahon para sa mga church activities mo. You are the last member of the Magnolia Mancom that turned around the business. Mayaman na Magnolia dahil sa iyo at sa tulong ng mga dating miyembro nito. Cheers!
1, 2, 3.
Congratulations on your amazing professional journey. Best of luck and enjoy your well-deserved retirement. See you around, Sir Anton!
Belated happy birthday,
Hi,
Anton.
Anton.
Yeah, but we were told you are celebrating something bigger. 40 years in San Miguel is no joke. And as retirement looms, so does nostalgia and an endless parade of good memories with friends and colleagues from way back. Aqua Days to SMC to Nutri Oil and then Magnolia. All of whom will remember you as a fun-loving, easy to work with, and stress-free boss and co-lead. Now, all the good work you imparted and the good camaraderie and friendships you established is what makes you truly unforgettable. So enjoy the next milestone and chapter of your life, but more importantly, stay healthy.
Yeah, so good luck, Anton. Regards to Edna and the family.
Hi, Sir Anton. Apologies again for not being able to join your party. May conflict lang sa schedule. But anyway, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you for welcoming me, for your warm welcome and all in the company, and also for generously sharing your wisdom and guiding me as well with the projects. Medyo malungkot lang cause hindi tayo naka-launch or even not being able to do a trial, but okay lang. I know this retirement is well-deserved. So I hope that you have continued good health and you enjoy your time with your family, with your wife, and all your travels. So all the best, Sir Anton. Keep in touch. I hope to see you.
Hi, Anton. Finally, it's your retirement. I know it will be a mixed emotion because you'll miss your friends and family in San Miguel Foods. For your retirement, I wish you have more time with your family, of course. You can now also prioritize your health and you can have more time to attend to your personal mission and advocacies. So good luck to you and kita tayo ha. Good luck!
Hi, Anton. First of all, congratulations on your retirement. Finally, the last of the Mohican is now retiring. So wala nang natira sa original Mancom ng Magnolia, ikaw na lang yun. And masasabi ko na malaki ang mawawala sa Magnolia when you retire. They will definitely miss your calm disposition, your wisdom, and of course, your humor. Talagang ikaw lang yung life of the party, ika nga. Kung baga, pag nagmi-meeting tayo parating, meron kang nasasabi na very witty and very humorous. So yun yung isa sa mamimiss nila, I'm sure. And of course, ako na-miss ko yan nung nag-retire naman ako. So sabi ko nga, you are one of those persons that I will never ever forget na nakasama kong makatrabaho sa Magnolia because we've been through so much. Ang dami natin pinagdaanan sa Magnolia. Remember, during those times na in the red ang Magnolia, talagang sobrang we're always on the edge of our seats. Parati tayong, pag pinatatawag na tayo during DOR, ando na yung lahat tayo kabado, tapos pagharap kay FSA, lahat tayo nakatikim ng, alam mo na, yung magagandang experiences with FSA, so to speak. So I'm sure everybody will definitely miss you. Tapos, ang laking kawalan talaga sa Magnolia. But I am very happy that finally you will have more time with your family. Na ngayon, na-enjoy ko na. So, I'm pretty sure ma-enjoy mo rin yan. So, syempre, mamimiss natin ang... Pag nag-retire ka na, I'm sure mamimiss mo yung mga ginagawa natin sa Magnolia and yung mga kasamahan natin sa Magnolia. Katulad ko, from time to time, parati ko, minsan napapanaginipan ko pa din yung Magnolia tsaka yung mga kasama natin sa trabaho. Kasama ka na doon sa napapanaginipan ko. And for sure, hindi nightmare yon, magandang panaginip yon. So, yun. So, parang nakakamiss, mamimiss mo yung trabaho, mamimiss mo yung mga colleagues, but at the same time, you'll learn to realize there are more important things in life than working. So, parang makikita mo na yung value of having more time with your family. Tapos, may-enjoy mo na ang pag-gising sa umaga na wala nang stress, wala nang tatawag sa'yo sa gabi, wala nang magsasabi na, oh, may ganitong urgency na kailangan mong pumunta sa planta or sa meds o kung saan man may problema or sa PureBev, wala nang ganon. So, yun yung malaking magiging change sa buhay mo. And because of that, I'm happy for you. Sana mas maging maganda yung mangyayari sa'yo when you retire, like me, para mas peaceful yung buhay, mas ma-enjoy mo na talaga everything in life. The little things in life, ma-enjoy mo na. Unlike before na parating at the back of your mind, iniisip mo ano kayo nangyayari na sa planta, ano kayong nangyayari na sa operations, lalo na sa'yo, very sa operations. So, yun yung mawawala. And, syempre, of course, yung mga tao sa Magnolia naman, mamimiss ka naman because of that. Kasi nga, malaki kang kawalan. You have a very big contribution sa success ng Magnolia. So, anyway, happy retirement, and I hope we'll see each other again. Mag-meet ulit tayo, ha? So, right after this, siguro, ngayong December, medyo busy pa ang lahat. But, definitely later on, siguro, we can get together again and, reminisce on the happy times that you've had with Magnolia. Again, congratulations, good luck, and I will definitely miss you. Okay, bye-bye!
Hi, Anton. Congratulations. Magre-retire ka na naman sa Magnolia. And literal, nahihiga ka na naman sa pera ngayon, no? But anyway, thank you sa lahat ng contributions mo sa Magnolia, for sharing your expertise, especially sa oils. Malaking bagay yung mga na-share mo. And yun, sana enjoy mo yung retirement mo this time. Pahinga-pahinga din, and God bless.
I've been trying to recall how we first worked with each other, and I think it was during the time of Reggie, that you're a consultant for oils, and a lot of people also in management, when we first met you and when I came back, were not very confident in your capabilities. But fortunately or unfortunately, you outlasted them all, including me. And for that, kudos to you. Well, retirement is like a two-edged knife. It can cut both ways, both from negative and the positive side. And being there ahead of you, let me tell you that there are a lot of positives. First of all, if you're already a senior, there's a lot of discounts, so you can eat at any restaurant of your choice and you'll get instantly 20% discount. So that's a big plus. If you have medicines, maintenance medicines, you also get discounts in, well, you don't do public transport, but if you do, or if you travel by air, you also get discounts. So that's the positive side of it. The negatives, well, is also two-edged because when you are senior, a lot of people look at you with assuming that you have wisdom, while others, like the young ones, looks at you, especially those who don't know you, they look at you like laos na yan, matanda na yan. So, but if you don't think you're aged, or if you think you're old, or if you don't think you're old, if you think young, you're young. And hopefully, the wisdom that you gained through all these years, both in your career and your personal life, will help you guide moving on into the, I do not like to say twilight years, but actually it is the golden years, because now that you are free, you can do anything and everything that you have wanted to do, but you cannot when you are working because of time constraints and opportunity to do that. So now you can do everything that you want to do without any constraints. Of course, you don't have any constraints with your money. You have money. You don't have constraints with your attitude, because I see you are positive natured man. So hopefully your retirement years will be full, and just like when you were trying to start a career, senior years is also a career, and you can do a lot of good helping others to carry on, given that you have been very resilient in the challenges that you have faced during your career. And I don't know much about personal life that you had, but I don't think you have problems with that. So I think the best thing that we can do when we are retired, or when we are not in our professional mode, is to help others, guide others, and hopefully that would be a fulfilling career. Congratulations again, and may the best in everything that you plan to do, and congratulations again.
Hello, Anton. Happy birthday and congratulations for your retirement, the second one in Magnolia. You're very fortunate that not all people are given that chance, and I guess it's only a manifestation of how the Lord has blessed you in so many ways, because you have been serving Him faithfully over the years. I'm glad to have worked with you, and along with the other hardworking Mancom of Magnolia, where we have experienced the ups and downs, and we are just so grateful to the Lord that we came out ahead. And today, Magnolia has been contributing profitably to the IFO of the food group. I wish you well, and I'm happy that you and Edna continue to do the work of the Lord. See you around.
Hello, Anton. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Happy retirement. Enjoy your retirement and the discounts and the privileges of being a senior. Una-una lang yan, and will be there sooner than later. But for now, it's your day, and be the merriest person as you celebrate an achievement in life, as being 60 years old. It's a great achievement that you have in San Miguel and in Magnolia, having spent decades with them, and I'm sure your contributions have been well appreciated. And it's now time for you to move forward to a new chapter in your life, and I wish you all the best in your endeavor. Again, happy 60th birthday.
Happy retirement! Happy retirement po!
And best wishes. Bye. Bye.
Hi, Tom! Congratulations on your retirement! And wishing you the best. Wishing you the best. That's right.
Hey there, brother. Doc. Congratulations on your retirement. Enjoy it. Later, bye.
Hello, Dad. Congrats sa retirement. I just wanted to say thank you for your hard work and dedication. If it wasn't for your efforts and sacrifices sa work mo, me and Kuya wouldn't probably have the same quality of life. I'm grateful na nasasend mo ako into good schools and onting tumbling na lang magagraduate na ako. I will forever be in debt sa naibigay niya sa akin ni Mami na good things in life, and sana in the future may balik ko yun sa inyo kapag may work or trabaho na ako. Moving forward sa next chapter sa buhay nyo, sana mahanap nyo yung nagpapasaya and mas nagbibigay ng further purpose in life. Deserve nyo yung rest kasi ever since hindi kayo tumigil in providing for me and Kuya. So ayun, with that, Dad, congrats ulit sa retirement and I love you.
Hi Dad, thank you sa hard work mo for the family and thank you sa pag-set ng good example sa aming dalawa ni Gab. Yun lang. Happy retirement. Love you.
Hi Dad, congratulations on your retirement after 36 years of service in San Miguel. We're just so happy for you because now you'll have time to enjoy your hard work. And you'll have more time with us. We just hope and pray that God will continue to guide you and bless our family too. So, yun lang, enjoy and happy retirement. We love you.